American citizen.
I'm a president of the Philippines.
But not already tuli.
Correct.
I'm a president of the Philippines.
You're a president.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Next.
Oh my God.
Hello, sir. Oh.
Welcome to the
Welcome.
USA.
Oh.
Welcome in Philippines.
You're Big Bang Marcos.
Yeah. Yes. I am a president.
I'm proud to
Represent.
see you here.
Where's
I'm proud to represent.
Where's
President. Huh?
Where's the president?
Oh, you
Well,
understand that? Where's the place to
Anything. Anywhere.
Anything you see.
Anywhere in the Philippines.
In BGC?
Yes. Anywhere.
You come in open.